Down here in the heart of the city, baby. Hot Atlanta. What's up, everybody? We're here in Atlanta, GA. We're here power washing a house, a deck, and a driveway out front. Basically, it's a little chilly outside, so your product is not going to work as fast as it would normally in warmer temperatures. Not sure if you guys knew that, but just over the years, I found that tends to be the thing. So you got to allow your product to dwell a little longer, a little bit longer to do its thing, so that you'll continue to get those outcomes that you want, such as a professional. But at any rate, man, enjoying the day out here, Power Washing Pro GA, ATL. Talk to you soon. All right, everybody, yeah, we're finishing up down here in Atlanta. First one of the day. I love coming down here. One of the main reasons why I purchased a flatbed is to be able to maneuver within the city. Pulling a trailer, 300, 400 gallons or 250 gallons of water is a bit challenging, to say the least. It could be done. However, if you have the option of going with a flatbed, it worked out for me. Stay tuned. We're headed east of Atlanta. We'll knock out another one, I'm sorry. Stay tuned. Peace. All right, everybody, we're still in the city. We're going to tackle these landscape edging stone. Literally goes all the way around this flower bed there at the edge of the patio. Comes around by the end of the brick. Comes and starts at this flower bed here. Edging. All right, take care of that. We'll wrench that down for the client as well. Come to the back. Again, there's that other edging. All right, and we have these stones here. These stones. And partial deck. Only the outer portion is for exterior. The floor that's covered is actually interior flooring that's outside. At any rate, people like what they like. Very nice property. We'll clean it up. It'll be pretty good. All right. Stay tuned. We about to APP this thing, baby. Gotta love it, people. Definitely better when it's clean. Definitely better when it's clean. Whee! All right, guys, all done. Just some landscape edging. Turned out pretty good. It'll be even better once it's dry. We put all the mulch and everything back in place. Yep. Let's check out the deck. Remember those pavers? Turned out pretty good. Deck. Simply clean. Nothing more, nothing less. Clean. Beautiful. You want it done right. Hire professionals. ForPaintPower.com.